Let me thank the government of the day and the Ministry for Home Affairs for moving the celebrations to the Northern Division at this time, and a privilege also for the people of the Northern Division. The civil servants have been tasked to organize activities around the three provinces, Maduata, the Kaunrove and Bua. They have already been doing cleaning up campaigns in the town areas, and also visiting the homes, all people's home, people living in the hut, distributing gifts as well. So everybody has been busy this time, preparing also for the big event on Thursday. This Thursday we are expecting people from the three provinces to also come and celebrate with us at Lambasa. Many buses have been hired to bring people from the three provinces so that we can celebrate together at Lambasa. We would like to encourage the people of the North to come together with the family and enjoy this day, and also to at least share some moments with our loved ones from other areas that will be visiting the Northern Division at this time.